Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you would like to see how I achieve this super cute and easy crochet passion twist hairstyle, then you already know what to do. Just keep watching. And the link for this gorgeous hair will be below in the description box. Thank you so much, Joy, for sending me this hair to review. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red button and join the Murder Show fam. Now, if you all are ready, let's get into the tutorial. You may want to go grab a snack because this is going to be a pretty lengthy video. Now, this is not a how to braid tutorial. This is a braid pattern tutorial, meaning that I'm just simply showing you the braid pattern that I used for this hairstyle. So yeah, if you're looking for a braiding tutorial, this is not it because this video is going too fast for you to learn anything other than the braiding pattern that I used. So I'm just going to hush and continue to braid because we have a lot of ground to cover, girl.
Let's go.
Cleo, what it do? Cleo, stop it. Cleo. Girl, y'all know I'm stupid. Okay guys, now that we are done, and all I have 10 braids, I turned the ones on the sides into 2, as you can see. Oh girl, yes, that was a job. Now we can get into the actual hair install. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like. It's not pre-twisted, but it does have these loops, which are super convenient when crocheting. Here, I'm just showing you how I bobby pin the ends of my braids up. You want to make sure that it's really secure. Now I'm taking the crochet needle and pushing it through my braid. Then I take the hair, and where it's looped at, I push the needle on the side, close the clasp, and pull the hair through. After I pull the hair through, I take both ends of the hair and pull through the loop and tighten. Now I'm taking some of my Eco Style gel on my fingers and begin to twist. In the beginning, guys, I started with only using that one hair loop, but I realized that it would take me forever if I made that twist at one side. So as I continue, I'll show you that I ended up putting 2 hair loops together to make one twist. And I'm so glad that I did, because it would have taken me so long to finish. And loves, I'm not showing you the entire process because it is very much repetitive. I'm just doing the same thing all over my head. So you're not really missing much by me not recording myself putting every single piece of hair in my head. I'm just pushing the needle through, pulling the hair through, and securing it to my braid. I also wanted to show you that I left out a piece of the hair while twisting. The end result was super cute. And here's where I showed you that I combined 2 loops together to make one twist. Okay, y'all, this is the last clip that I'm going to show me doing the install before I show the final results. And I'm just doing the exact same thing that I was doing in the back to the front. The only thing that I didn't get on camera is that I separated one of the loops to make the twist smaller at the very beginning of the braid. My apologies for not showing that part, but I'm telling you now, so that has to count for something, right? And if you are still here rocking with your girl, please hit that like button and leave me a diamond in the comments below.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, this is the end result. As always, thank you all so much for watching. And if you have not yet watched my unboxing video, I will link it as well. And the link to this hair, I will link below in the description box. And I would like to thank Joy so much for sending me this super, super gorgeous hair. And until next time, bye.